SantoZeroPotentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's words. Ang didakin natin today is ordinary but great. Yung Bible version is from Genesis 9 verse 13. I'll remember my confidence between me and you. The one who wrote today's story is si Sis Kring Taladen. So, ang story ni Sis Kring is about family marvel at the blessing God has given them over the years. So sabi niya, before daw they struggled with sharing a can of sardines. Ngayon, kahit isa-isa kaya na. They struggle for monthly rent. Now, they pay on time. So with the ordinary blessing, we can attest to God's promises. Even if we are not consistent in our faithfulness. But God is, He will never abandon us. Friend, what is your experience ba? Do you believe in what Sis Kring is saying? So, totoo po yan. We just need to notice these ordinary things, this blessing. Kasi pag nakita mo, like if you watch Eyewitness by Cara Davidson, makita mo, oh, I'm so blessed, I'm so fortunate. Then those children working the whole day for 45 pesos, for fishermen working the whole night for 60 pesos. But ikaw, you are more blessed, diba? You have work na you receive more than what these people are receiving using your talents or your skills that the Lord has given you. Pero hindi ka na hingisda, hindi ka naglilinis ng tahong, hindi ka na uuling no, in the forest, hindi ka nanguha ng abaka. But still, you are blessed with so many things. So thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. The daily miracle signs of His covenant with us. Now, it's the Lenten season. So it's for us to do simple acts of love, kindness, and generosity. Add color to our simple mundane life. Flood of worry, hate, and negativity ends also. Pag we flood ourselves with love, kindness, and generosity. You feel God is not moving. Let His grace open the eyes of your heart. So friend, hindi lang natin binubuksan ng eyes of our heart, kaya hindi natin nakita the goodness of the Lord. You might be surrounded with amazing and beautiful signs, pero yun nga, we are blinded by the sufferings or the challenges that we are facing. So let's open the eyes of our heart. So ano ba yung reflection natin today? What sign do you need from the Lord today? Rest assured that you are surrounded by this. Just open the eyes of your heart. Yun nga, di lang tayo that conscious of the blessings that the Lord is always giving us. Kumbaga, hindi pa natin hinihingi, nandiyan na. He already knows what is in our heart. Dear Lord, thank you for keeping your promises. Help me to see your many miracles and signs in my life. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.